Most people over 60 assume weaker muscles are inevitable. But here's the truth. Your body can still rebuild strength naturally. And the key may be sitting quietly in your fridge, cottage cheese. It's more than just a snack. It's a functional food scientifically proven to help combat sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that weakens millions of older adults. Dr. Gabrielle, Lyon, MD, a board-certified functional medicine physician, muscle health expert, and best-selling author, specializes in using food as medicine strategies to preserve muscle, support metabolism, and promote healthy aging. Explains, protein quality and timing are often overlooked in older adults. Cottage cheese at night can fuel your muscles while you sleep, giving them the nutrients they need to repair and rebuild. In this video, you'll discover 3 powerful cheeses that can help you rebuild muscle, strengthen bones, and boost energy naturally after 60. Backed by modern research and the food as medicine philosophy of doctors like Dr. Lyon. Watch till the end and you'll know exactly how to use them to stay strong, mobile, and independent every day. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and join our No Pill Zone community to keep your strength, energy, and independence at 60+. Cottage cheese is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids steadily over 6 to 8 hours. Think of it as an overnight fuel line to your muscles, keeping them nourished through long, fasting periods while you sleep. Most other proteins, like meat or eggs, digest in 2 to 3 hours, leaving your muscles without essential nutrients for the rest of the night. Beyond protein, cottage cheese provides calcium, strengthens bones, and reduces fracture risk. B vitamins, convert food into energy and support metabolism. Selenium, combats inflammation and oxidative stress, common culprits in joint stiffness. Tryptophan, helps promote relaxation and better sleep, indirectly supporting muscle repair. These nutrients work together, making cottage cheese a single, simple food that supports strength, recovery, and overall well-being. Here are some practical tips / how to eat. No cooking required. Eat cold straight from the container. Sweet options: blueberries, chia seeds, cinnamon, chopped apple. Savory options: chopped tomatoes, cracked pepper, avocado slices. Easy pairings: whole grain crackers or oats for a more filling snack. Cottage cheese is gentle on digestion and ideal for seniors who may have difficulty eating heavier proteins like red meat. A serving before bed gives your muscles continuous protein, helps improve sleep, and supports bone health, all in one simple step. Margaret, 68, found herself struggling to stand from chairs without holding on. She started adding a nighttime serving of cottage cheese with blueberries. Within 3 weeks, she noticed less morning stiffness, improved mobility, and higher energy for her walks. Cottage cheese repairs muscles overnight, but Parmesan takes your strength and bone health to the next level. This hard, nutrient-dense cheese provides steady protein and minerals throughout the day, keeping you independent and mobile. Stay tuned. You'll want to see how small additions to your meals can make a huge difference after 60. Dr. Lyon emphasizes, protein isn't just about building muscle. For older adults, combining protein with minerals like calcium and phosphorus in Parmesan helps maintain mobility, bone strength, and overall independence. After 60, your bones naturally lose density and protein intake often declines due to smaller appetites or digestive changes. The combination increases risk for fractures and mobility challenges. Parmesan addresses both problems. High-quality protein. Just 1 ounce delivers around 10 grams of complete protein, supplying essential amino acids to preserve muscle. Mineral-rich, packed with calcium and phosphorus, critical for bone structure and flexibility. Low lactose. Easier to digest than many soft cheeses. perfect for seniors with sensitive digestion. Additional health benefits include carb-free, won't spike insulin levels, helping stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Flavor-dense, a little goes a long way, providing nutrition without overeating. Anti-inflammatory potential. Minerals and protein work together to support joint health and muscle recovery. Here are some practical tips / how to eat. Sprinkle on steamed vegetables for a protein boost without extra cooking. Add a few shavings to scrambled eggs or soups for flavor and muscle support. Pair with lean meats or whole grains to create balanced meals that maintain muscle and bone health. Use small amounts to enhance taste, making it easy to integrate into everyday meals. If you're finding this helpful, give this video a like and hit subscribe. Your future self will thank you for staying strong and independent after 60. Parmesan is perfect for older adults who struggle with appetite or early satiety. Its flavor-dense nature allows nutrient-rich meals in small portions, which helps maintain protein intake without feeling overwhelmed. Even sprinkling it over salads or roasted vegetables contributes valuable amino acids and minerals for muscle and bone support. John, 72, noticed stiffness in his knees and fatigue after walking. He began adding a small amount of Parmesan to his meals daily, grated over steamed broccoli, stirred into scrambled eggs, and added to soups. Within a month, John reported more stable energy levels, improved joint comfort, and easier movement. Small, consistent changes created measurable results in muscle support and bone strength. Here is the kicker: protein and muscle maintenance. The high-quality protein in Parmesan helps preserve lean muscle mass, which is crucial for strength and mobility. Calcium and phosphorus work together like a tag team. Calcium builds the structure of bones. Phosphorus maintains flexibility. This is especially important after 60, when bone density declines. Blood sugar stability. Low-carb and high-protein composition helps prevent spikes and crashes, reducing fatigue and inflammation that can make muscles and joints feel stiff. Cottage cheese repairs muscles overnight, and Parmesan strengthens bones and provides daily protein. But what if there were a cheese that worked fast, delivering amino acids immediately after activity? That's where ricotta comes in. The creamy, versatile protein that supports post-movement recovery and helps prevent further muscle breakdown. Keep watching to see how this one simple addition can make a difference after 60. Dr. Lyon explains, fast-acting protein after movement is essential to prevent further muscle breakdown. Ricotta, made from whey, provides your muscles with the building blocks they need right when they need it, without relying on processed powders or supplements. Now, let's talk about ricotta, the creamy underdog that works fast, delivering amino acids immediately after physical activity, whether it's a walk, gardening, or a light stretching. Here is why ricotta matters after 60. Whey-based protein. Ricotta is naturally high in whey, a fast-digesting protein that delivers amino acids directly to muscles post-activity. Whole food advantage. Unlike powders, ricotta is recognized and absorbed naturally by your body. Bone and tissue support. Rich in calcium and vitamin A, ricotta supports bone density and tissue repair, which are critical after 60. Here's some practical tips / how to eat. Spread on whole grain toast for a quick post-walk snack. Mix with berries or a drizzle of honey for a lightly sweet, nutrient-dense treat. Fold into scrambled eggs, cooked oats, or smoothies for creamy texture and extra protein. Small servings deliver dense nutrition, perfect for seniors who may struggle with large meals. Ricotta is soft, gentle on digestion, and easy to chew, ideal for older adults with sensitive stomachs or dental concerns. Even 1 or 2 spoonfuls after light activity can make a noticeable difference in recovery and energy. Mary, 66, noticed fatigue and mild soreness after her morning gardening sessions. Adding a spoonful of ricotta to her oatmeal post-activity helped her recover faster, reduce soreness, and increased energy for the rest of her day. She didn't need powders or complex supplements, just one simple, whole food addition. Here is why it works every time. Muscle recovery. Whey protein in ricotta delivers rapid amino acids to rebuild muscle fibers damaged during activity. Bone support. Calcium and vitamin A reinforce skeletal strength and assist tissue repair. Gentle digestion. Whole food protein is absorbed efficiently, preventing bloating or discomfort common with powders. Recap quick hit list. Cottage cheese, slow digesting casein for overnight muscle repair, boosts recovery and sleep quality. Parmesan, mineral-rich, high-quality protein for daily strength and bone support. Low lactose for easier digestion. Ricotta, fast-acting whey protein for post-activity recovery, versatile and senior-friendly. Together, these three cheeses provide a complete, practical, and science-backed approach to maintaining muscle, bone, and energy after 60. Dr. Lyon reminds us, muscle and bone health after 60 isn't about more pills or powders. It's about timing, protein quality, and real food. Cottage cheese, Parmesan, and ricotta give your body exactly what it needs naturally. Subscribe today and join our No Pill Zone community and reclaim your strength, mobility, and independence. Start incorporating these three cheeses into your meals this week and notice the difference in muscle recovery and energy, bone strength and joint comfort, overall vitality and independence. Stay tuned to the No Pill Zone for more real food solutions that are simple, effective, and senior-friendly, helping you maintain strength, energy, and independence naturally.